In this video, we'll learn how to predict offspring traits using monohybrid crosses and Punnett squares, a critical skill for AP and IB biology exams. Before we start, let's quickly review the key vocabulary. You'll need these terms to understand how monohybrid crosses work. A monohybrid cross examines the inheritance of a single trait, like flower color, from parent to offspring. These 5 steps will help you systematically solve any monohybrid cross question on the AP or IB exam. These steps are: determine the parent's genotypes, identify dominant and recessive alleles, set up a Punnett square, fill in possible offspring genotypes, and predict phenotypic ratios. Let's do a classic example with pea flowers. Both plants are heterozygous for flower color. Draw a 2 by 2 Punnett square and place the alleles from each parent along the top and the side, as shown here. Now, fill in the squares by combining the alleles from each parent. This shows all possible genotypes of the offspring. The genotype ratio is 1 to 2 to 1. 1 homozygous dominant, 2 heterozygous, 1 homozygous recessive. The phenotype ratio shows the actual traits seen: 3 purple flowers and 1 white flower. Mastering monohybrid crosses is about practicing the steps and remembering key terms. With this method, you'll quickly solve AP and IB exam questions. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.